The 2026 Toyota RAV4 has arrived, and it's clear that Toyota is pushing the boundaries once again to keep this SUV at the top of its game. Welcome back to CarScope, where we dive deep into the latest rides shaping the automotive world. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that has been a bestseller for years, known for its reliability, versatility, and overall value. But in 2026, the RAV4 isn't just resting on its reputation, it's stepping up with more technology, more refinement, and a sharper design. At first glance, the new RAV4's exterior has been updated with bolder lines, a wider front grille, and sleeker LED headlights that give it a more premium and athletic presence. Toyota has also slightly tweaked the body proportions, giving it a more aerodynamic shape while keeping the rugged, adventurous stance that drivers love. New wheel designs, fresh color options, and subtle chrome or blacked-out trims, depending on the package, make sure there's a RAV4 that fits every personality under the hood. The 2026 RAV4 offers multiple powertrain choices. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine remains strong, delivering solid performance with impressive fuel efficiency. But for those who want something more eco-friendly and powerful, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions have been upgraded. The RAV4 Prime now offers even more electric-only range, making short daily commutes possible without using a drop of fuel. Toyota's focus on hybrid technology means you get the performance of a larger engine with the fuel economy of a much smaller one, which is a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. Inside, the 2026 RAV4's cabin feels more upscale than ever. Soft-touch materials, improved seating comfort, and a redesigned dashboard bring a more premium vibe. The centerpiece is Toyota's new high-resolution touchscreen, which comes standard on most trims and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The upgraded infotainment system is faster, more intuitive, and backed by an impressive premium sound option for music lovers. Practicality remains a strong point, with generous cargo space, plenty of cup-holders, and multiple storage compartments for road trip essentials. Safety is still a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 comes standard with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision braking, and now enhanced pedestrian and cyclist detection. Parking is also easier thanks to available 360-degree cameras and automatic parking assist on the road. The RAV4 balances comfort and capability beautifully. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating city streets, or venturing onto light off-road trails, the suspension feels smooth and composed. The all-wheel drive system is ready for unpredictable weather or weekend adventures, making it one of the most well-rounded SUVs in its class. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't just an update, it's a statement. Toyota has taken what was already a strong package and made it even better, ensuring it stays at the top of the compact SUV market. With its modern design, improved tech, efficient powertrains, and legendary reliability, it's a vehicle that's ready to handle whatever life throws your way. Here at CarScope, we think the new RAV4 is one of the smartest choices you can make in 2026 if you want an SUV that does it all.